Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by RockAuto.com. All the parts your car will ever need. Hexis Americas, manufacturer of adhesive films. Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Oil Undercoating, the official oil-based rust prevention system. And by After Dark Speed, specialty performance car parts and designs.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings at the SEMA show in Las Vegas. Now, everyone knows that Jay Leno is car crazy. And this year, he took center stage along with Keith Urban at the annual New Products Breakfast. What a great way to kick off the 2021 show. Steel Rubber Products is a fixture here at SEMA, and they're not just a fixture in the industry when it comes to rubber seals, they are the industry standard. Danny, you're famous for making seals for specific vehicles, but you have a universal line now. Who's using the universal seals?
So lots of people have really found use out of our seals, whether you're working on a street rod, some sort of custom build. You need to find something that maybe doesn't exist. You can use our peel and stick line, or we have dense rubber for glass, just anything that you need, but in an application that's generic enough to use.
And you've made an improvement on an already great design. Show me what you've done this year.
Sure, so our peel and stick line is very popular. We use the 3M adhesive tape on the back, it works really well. But one small feature that we've added to our extrusions are little rubber skirts on the side, and it's simple, but whenever you've got a nice show car, you don't want to put a piece of weather stripping on there. The peel and stick stuff is nice to use, but you don't want to see the tape on the side. So this hides that tape, gives it a flush mount look, and also protects the adhesive whenever it's on the vehicle.
For folks that may not be familiar with steel rubber, how long is a seal like this going to last when you put it on the vehicle?
So it should last a very long time. We use EPDM rubber, and it's very resistant to UV and ozone, and that's the worst stuff for rubber.
These guys are the best in the business. You can check them out at steelrubber.com.
This is exactly what the SEMA show is all about, and the reason we're all here. Let's say you just got a Ferrari F8, but a stock Ferrari is not for you. You need to pop a little bit more. Well, they make carbon kits. This carbon kit, nose to tail, just makes the car pop. Totally unique. It's an awesome, awesome thing. But not just that. Wheels, tires, every attention to detail, part or piece that can make your ride something special just for you. Specialty Equipment Manufacturer Association. It's SEMA, baby.
If you own a shop, you know just how valuable real estate around your shop can be, but there is a solution. It's Mobile Environmental Solutions. Tom, how can you help folks maximize their space?
The best part about it, Dave, is you turn around and when you're not painting, you roll it up and put it away. Or if you turn around and say you don't have any room to paint inside, but you have an opportunity to paint outdoors, you just take and roll it outside, set it up, takes less than 10-15 minutes, you have a fully functional paint booth.
How does a Mobile Environmental Solutions paint booth compare to a permanent paint booth?
Well, the easiest thing is you can turn around, you can fold it and put it up. A permanent paint booth, once it's set up, it's done. If you're not painting it, you're not making any money. And that's where the maximizing real estate comes into play. This booth has the same characteristics that you'd see from a permanent style paint booth. It's a cross-flow positive pressure booth. That this one, the 23 by 15 right behind us, actually has 42 air exchanges per hour.
The 23 by 15 is your most popular model. How have you improved it this year?
So what we did is we went to some of our customers' feedback and we added another row of rafters and we added another set of windows. So it allowed us to even offer more visibility, allow more light from the outside in to give the painter a better working environment.
If you want a clean room, if you need a place to paint, Mobile Environmental Solutions is the only place to go. Check them out at mobileenvironmentalsolutions.com. Well, you know, if there's a Formula One car on the premises, I'm going to find it. Here's a great looking one. It's a 2016 Renault. It's in the Hexis booth now. Clement, tell me what involvement Hexis has in Formula One.
It's now 3 years. We are technical partner from Renault first and now Alpine. And it's like a passion. We like to be on the innovation. We like to be on the racing. And Formula One for us, it's like Hexis is, like competitor.
Verada oversees Hexis in the Americas, and now Verada, of course, we have a Formula One car, but what if I'm just the average guy who wants to change the color of my vehicle?
Yeah, choose the Skin Tack films, over 250 colors to choose from.
And we're not just talking colors too, you can help me with my windows.
Sky Tint, that's our automotive window film.
And if you have a color you love, but you want to protect it, Hexis can help me out too.
With Body Fence paint protection film.
And taking it to the extreme over there, I see a printed wrap on that Ferrari. Tell me about that.
We have our cast printable, choose your design, customize it any way you want, and wrap it.
Clement, what from Hexis is on this Renault Formula One car?
Yeah, at this time, all the brand and signage on the car are Hexis products. You have also digital printing on the back of the car. At this time, the blue is paint, but there is some part on the real racing car running this year with also our blue vinyl you can see on my back.
The best in the world trust Hexis, and you can too for your vehicle. Check them out at hexis.com. 2.5 million square feet of exhibit space, so you bet we've only scratched the surface here. Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings from the SEMA Show, continues right after this.